Let me remove this password. Now just go to Access Request. Guys, I thought today I'll cover approval as well. How we can configure the approval levels in the workflow. Okay. So from this page you can select, set the priority, high priority, low priority, normal priority. The second one, the attachment. If you want to attach anything, any file, so you can enable. These are the small things in your required. If client wants you to add these things, you can achieve very easily. Okay. So this is how we are going to log. Using Sailpoint, right? We are able to access this page as a Sailpoint admin because we have full access. Now let's log in as James Smith. Okay. I think I have reset his password already. I don't remember. Let me reset his password. He won't be able to access each and everything like Identity's application. He is allowed to submit access requests as a basic users. Basic level of users. Is it clear, guys? Because we didn't provide the capability so far. That's the difference. We will learn what is capability and all. Just to have a look. Everyone won't have the full access. That's for sure,